Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this quick and easy cilantro lime rice. This is wonderful for any occasion. First, we're going to melt some butter, add some diced onions and garlic. Allow to cook until fragrant for about 2 minutes. Then you are going to add some washed rice. Give this a good stir, add your remaining herbs and spices. Then you are going to let this toast for about 5 minutes. Blend some cilantro stems with water. Pour that in. Give that a good stir, cover, and let it steam. After 10 minutes, remove the cover and add some lime juice. All right, give that a good stir again, taste and adjust. I thought that was fine, so I went ahead and cover and let this steam. Not to worry, everything that I'm using, the measurements will be in the description box. So I did fluff this out with my fork, but it needed a tad bit more lime juice for me, and I went ahead and I poured that over. This was super delicious. You're gonna rough chop your cilantro and pour that in here. Absolutely amazing, and this is what it looks like. This was eaten with some ultimate LPW, that's my amazing lemon pepper chicken, and we did add some salmon croquettes, so check the link out for those. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye bye.